Alrighty, we're on our way to go sledding in South Mississippi. It's gonna be it's a snow day. It's January 21st, Long Beach, Mississippi. Probably got 6 inches of snow on the ground. It's gonna be crazy. Alright, we're gonna try to sled down these hills. Here. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. It's really embarrassing. Alright, here we go. Here, hold this, hold this. Hold this. It's not quite steep enough. There you go. Look, it's friends. Yeah, y'all are right down the street. Woo. I'm gonna try to run and jump. Woo. Snowboarding. Woo! What? That was good fun. Woo! Oh wow! Woo! Yeah, that's pretty good. I'll try it with the surf, with the stand-up paddleboard. Well, if what's that? Yeah. I would have suggested you bring gloves if you would have asked me. Alright. So if we get this really packed out. Woohoo! Alright. That was pretty good. Oh, nice! Oh, wow! still a pretty good one.
Way too much there.
I didn't know it's extra speed. Get it. Alright, you gotta go do over here. Snow day. We don't have very many snow days in South Mississippi. Let's go drive around. Alright, see y'all later. Remember, it's just better down here, y'all. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think about our snow day in South Mississippi. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Hey, do me a favor and give the video a thumbs up over there and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, if you can go to my website, thesouthernhood.com, and check out all the shirts and hats I got over there. I'd really appreciate that too. Hey, thanks again, and remember, it's just better down here, y'all.